Our songbird of Hood. Here comes the popping drum, so to our left.
Keep your eyes peeled to the left. Truly a piece of art.
It was wonderful, as you noticed when it's too fast, it was wonderful pilot visibility, didn't it? And as it was a picture aircraft, so you didn't have to...
Now the gunners had to be very careful. If you noticed earlier on the Belgian Lewis guns, they actually have these little sacks that are attached to the guns. Now what these are one is the Early Type C, which has a Renault engine in it, an 80 horsepower Renault, air-cooled V8, and the green one has a RE.
No.
This is a piece of history. There's two FE2Bs flying in front of us today. This is amazing. It really is. Two front gunners holding Belgian Lewis guns. Quite phenomenal. Phenomenal aeroplane, this one, really.
Up his own factory of building planes in Germany. And at the start of the war, the Germans took over his factory, and he remained there to design and build the great Fokker fighter empire. As we mentioned before, Fokker was the first man to fire